Good afternoon. So I brought some show and tell. This is our underwater drone, the latest one. This is the Trident. So it's got a camera up front, it's got some lights, and it dives down. It can go down to 100 meters. It sends back live video through a thin tether up to your phone, and you can control it and drive it from there. It's a lot of fun, but it's also an incredible tool for science and research. And we're sending these all over the world, and we're starting to get back incredible videos like this one. So this one comes from our community member, Dominic, who went down to Mexico and was helping some researchers there to study great whites. And this is, you can see the great white was really curious about the drone, made another pass, and came around and thought needed an even closer look. Oh. So that's what the inside of a great white shark mouth looks like. But what's even cooler about this is Dominic documented this whole expedition on National Geographic's new site, OpenExplorer. So all of the background, all of the preparation, all of the reaching out to scientists, he's even got a third-person view of this from someone who's in the shark cage with a GoPro, so you can see it there. If you Google OpenExplorer Great White Shark, you'll find the video. So OpenExplorer is a really exciting new tool. It's a digital field journal that allows everyone to share what they're out exploring. It's open to anyone. We have hundreds of citizen scientists on the site, and it answers a really important question. How do we get people to engage? I mean, all of this passion we're seeing all week from these explorers, we need to bottle that up and give it to everybody. And it's important to show the process, how you're packing, how you're working through an idea, how you're finding collaborators, because we need to open up that process so people feel like it's more accessible. We're trying to get everyone up to the starting line. So if you haven't checked it out, I urge you to go to openexplorer.com and check it out. And lastly, if that wasn't enough of a sell, I have a number of OpenROV Tridents that we're going to be able to actually give away on the site. So if you have a project that you want to explore a lake or an ocean environment near you and you want to bring that place to life and send back video, please go to OpenExplorer and tell us what you're searching. We'll find you there and we'll hook you up with an OpenROV Trident. So thank you all very much.